This week I got an email from somebody who went through our weight loss program a number of years ago and somebody who really needs some quick and healthy recipes. And so that's what this video is today. I'm going to be cooking for you 5 meals that you can make in 20 minutes or less. If you're liking this video, remember to subscribe and comment below. My question to you is, what is your obstacle to eating healthy? Our first 20-minute recipe is Greek pasta with feta and spinach. And the great thing about this is that it's done in the amount of time that it takes to cook linguine. Start this recipe by bringing a well-salted pot of water to a boil. While you're waiting for it to boil, you can chop the walnuts and the garlic. Once the water is boiling, add the pasta to the water and stir. Next, to a small bowl, add the feta and the yogurt. 2 minutes before the pasta is done, take about a half a cup of the pasta water out and put it in a bowl so you can mix it with the sauce later. 1 minute before the pasta is done, add the spinach to the pasta water. Next, you're going to drain the pasta in the spinach. To a big bowl, you're going to add the drained pasta and spinach, and then you're going to mix the yogurt and the feta with a little bit of pasta water and keep adding water until you get the desired consistency of a nice creamy sauce. You will then add the sauce to the pasta and the spinach, mix it well. Next, add the walnuts, garlic, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. If you want to add red pepper flakes, you can add those now as well. Mix everything up and voila, you have your first 20-minute meal. Once you have plated the pasta, I like to add a little bit of olive oil to the top to make it super delectable. Next, we're going to make an Italian wrap with provolone and pickled vegetables. So you're going to begin with a wrap, the wrap of your choice. I love these lavash wraps because they're really easy to roll up. To begin with, we're going to put on 3 slices of provolone cheese and then rip off some lettuce and put that on the provolone. Next, we're going to chop up some giardiniera and some olives. We'll put that on the wrap. You want to make sure that you spread out everything out evenly so every bite has all of these flavors. Next, we're going to add roasted red peppers that we've cut into strips, slices of red onion, sliced tomato, oregano, and then we're going to top it all with balsamic and olive oil. This is the perfect recipe when you don't have a lot of time but you want something with a lot of flavor. And there you have it, a zesty Italian wrap. Next is ensalada de garbanzos, a really delicious traditional salad from Spain. To a good-sized salad bowl, we're going to add chickpeas, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red bell pepper, mint, red onion, capers, and parsley. Next, we're going to make a dressing with olive oil, lemon juice, red wine vinegar, cumin, salt, and pepper. We're going to whisk that really quick, and we're going to add that to the salad, toss that well, and then add the feta, and you have yourself ensalada de garbanzos. Next up is a dish that is not only super quick, but usually you can find all the ingredients in your pantry so you can make it whenever you want. Tuna patties from France. We're going to start by putting 2 cans of tuna into a big bowl, and then we'll add breadcrumbs, chopped shallots, chopped parsley, chopped chives and scallions, Parmesan cheese that's grated, all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 1 egg, and then salt and pepper to taste. We're going to mix that really well because we want to be able to form patties from that. Next, we're going to heat up on medium heat some olive oil in a cast iron skillet or whatever skillet you have. Then you take the patties and dip them in flour on both sides and then add them to the pan. And we're going to cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. You want them to be nice and brown. Because we're not using a lot of olive oil, you don't have to worry so much about draining them with a paper towel. You can just take them off of the pan. And for a quick side dish, we're going to add some olive oil to the same pan and then add baby spinach. And as soon as that is wilted, it's done. We can also add a little bit of garlic powder, and I like to add some balsamic vinegar to that as well. Once the spinach is ready, we're going to serve it on a plate with 2 to 3 patties, wilted spinach, and then I like to add a dollop of yogurt. We can put a little paprika on top of the yogurt and also some olives, or you could have cherry tomatoes. And there you have it, tuna patties fried in olive oil. Next up is a chicken skillet with mushrooms and onions. We're going to start by marinating 1.5 pounds of chicken breast in extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, thyme, and white wine. Next, we're going to heat up some olive oil in a pan and we're going to saute some sliced onions. Once the onions have been sauteing for a few minutes, we're going to add portobello mushrooms and vegetable broth. Once the mushrooms are tender, we're going to remove the onions and the mushrooms from the pan, and then we're going to add the chicken to the pan, and then we're going to saute it on one side for about 2 minutes, flip it over, and saute it until done. Next, you're going to add the mushrooms and the onions back into the pan, cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, and then you're done. I like to serve this with sliced Parmesan on top, which makes for a super tasty addition. Serve with a side salad or some bread and you have yourself a full meal. I hope you enjoyed these quick Mediterranean meals. To get these recipes plus a lot more, click the link below to get our article on 20-minute Mediterranean meals. Also, if you're interested in weight loss or learning more about the Mediterranean diet, check out our Mediterranean Diet portal. It's full of 10-week programs, a 30-day clean eating program, and lots of webinars and videos that are going to teach you everything you need to know about how to eat and live the Mediterranean way. And as always, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. I'll see you next time.